If you want to know how to make your SCX30 more scale and less top heavy, then stay tuned.
Hey there, I'm Shannon, your RC princess. Welcome to my channel where we dive into all things radio controlled, crawlers, bashers, builds, and more. Whether you're new to the hobby or a seasoned pro, I'm so glad you're here. Let's have some fun and make RC magic together.
What's up guys, I'm Shannon, aka the RC Princess. Welcome. I want to apologize in advance. I am sick. I can hardly breathe, but I still wanted to put this video out for you guys, and here's why. So today's video is going to be all about how to get the roof rack and accessories off of the Axial SCX30s and, well, the Jeep. And here's why I wanted to do this video for you guys and why it's uploaded on a random Monday. I think it's on a Monday. I won't know for sure until I upload it, but I'm planning on a random Monday. The reason is because when I created the unboxing video for you guys, I talked about this is an option you can do. I personally love the look of all the accessories and stuff on it. But it was one of those thoughts. I'm trying to go to sleep and I'm like, what kind of YouTuber am I that I just said there's other videos out there for you if you wanted to watch it and do this as well. You can go ahead and, find a video. What kind of YouTuber am I? I feel like I owe it to you guys to create a video for you myself, show you how to do it. It's real easy. And again, like I mentioned, a few reasons you might want to do that is for A, it'll be less top heavy, and B, it'll just give you a more scale off-road look. But yes, here I am creating this video for you all because I don't know, it just didn't sit well with me. My dog was just getting a drink. If you can't tell, this is his area where his food and water is. It's in the dining room. This is where we eat, so that's where he eats, and he was just getting a drink. It was so cute. What was I saying? I'm sick and I have no brain. I'm gonna do it for you guys today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Please note that my Jeep will look like this again after this video because like I said, I like the extras, but I'm gonna show you how to do it today. And I didn't want to upload it as like a main video on a Friday because it felt like cheating. So I'm gonna throw it up. I'm planning on a Monday. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I have my handy dandy little stand here. I'm not sure the order of when these videos will go out, so you may or may not know what I'm talking about with this stand, but this is 3D printed. I printed it off of Maker World, and so a video either is out about 3D prints for your SCX30s or it's coming. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to be using this stand today to hold all the little screws and stuff. But so like I mentioned in the unboxing video, you get a pack of all the things you're going to need to do this task. So we're just going to go ahead and open that. And they give you a little screwdriver to do this. I'm going to try to do it with this. I may have to go grab better tools, but we're gonna try it with this. And the camera does not want to focus on it. And then if you watch the unboxing video, these are what I was talking about. They just sit on, get inserted into the top and sit there. So it's a nice flush. You can't see like the screw holes and stuff. So first up, we're gonna take the body off the chassis. Like so. I'm just gonna put that over there because I'm gonna put the screws in here. And we have a ton of tiny little screws. Yay! So I've not done this before, but I know roughly how to do it. And so I'm pretty sure these 10 screws need to come out and then all of this comes off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I stand corrected, you guys. This screwdriver does not work for these screws. I just realized that I brought my glasses over to do this and I don't have them on. So this is not the tool. This actually, takes your wheel nuts off and stuff. And yeah, this is, I'm pretty sure these are like Phillips, and this is not. So I won't focus on it. So yes, not the right tool. I will be right back. All right, I have my glasses on and I have my tool, and I think this one is working. So yeah, let's continue getting these screws out. Okay, I have one side all the way out, and now I'm gonna move on to this side. Okay, now I have all 10 screws out, so I think we're just gonna start kind of pulling off the pieces. So the recovery boards are off. Want to be careful not to break anything. Don't pull too hard. And there we go. Now this whole thing is like a whole piece. So that's really nice, really easy. So now it looks like this. And do you see what I mean here of why you need those extra pieces? Because otherwise this would look, well, from the side it doesn't look funny, but from the top it looks funny. So we're gonna grab our pieces, and on these ones at least, there is, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's a little notch, and I believe that notch lines up with that one. So we're just gonna kind of push it in there. There we go. You see how much of a difference that makes? You really need those extra pieces. I mean, you know, I guess if you like this look, go for it. No right or wrong answers here. But I really like how it looks flush now, and you can see it sits there flush. You can't even tell that we took anything off. Again, we're gonna line up that little notch. And yes, just beautiful. Now these ones, I see a lot of people struggle with, so this might be a trial and error kind of thing. We're just gonna stick one in one side and see. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. Okay, I think I have them backwards, so we'll see which side. Oh, there we go. Yep. So there is a right or wrong for the front ones. I mean, I guess there's a right or wrong for the back too, but there we go. Look at that, you guys. I don't hate it. It's just, I really like all the extra stuff, you know? But there we have it. I don't hate it. And I love that they did that, where they added the pieces so it could like sit flush. So now what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put all 10 screws back in there, and that way that holds it on so it doesn't, you know, you're not crawling and then boom, a piece falls off and flies somewhere. So yeah, really simple to do, you guys. I just wanted to do it for you because, like I said, who am I if I'm not going to be helpful? That's why I have this channel, to help people and also to get help from you guys as well. So, oh, I forgot to take my glasses off. Okay, well, I'm gonna nerd it up with you guys for a minute. So yes, here it is complete. It's a much more scale, clean look. Like I said, I don't hate it. I do like all the extra flair on my vehicles because, you know, I'm not comp crawling. So does it matter? Like, you know what I mean? Like, yes, you want them to perform well, but let's be honest. So I like the flare. I think they do a very good job of staying upright. I've only, you know, flipped it a couple times. So I don't hate this look, but I just, like I said, I felt, I don't know, it didn't sit well with me that I was like, go watch somebody else. I was nicer about it, obviously, but I won't do that again, you guys, because yeah, it really messed with my head. Like, I feel like I owe you guys everything. And yeah, I just, even though it's a very simple task, you know, I did watch a video on it, so it wasn't like super self-explanatory. I don't know, maybe it is, but yeah, really nice, sleek look to it. I do love it. But yeah, it's going back to fully upgraded. So there it is if you guys want to do that. Again, so sorry I sound like this, but if you came across this video on a Monday and you are interested, I do try to upload every Friday. And if you're interested in bashers, crawlers, drones, 3D printing, I do it all. So please consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of this RC Princess community, because it's pretty awesome over here. We have a good group of people. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know down in the comments below which look you prefer, the fully decked out look or the more clean, sleek look. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!